Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And welcome to our channel. Tonight we're going to take an opportunity, Lori's going to share with you how she cooks using the dual-sided Grizzler plate with the Ooni Koda 16, which, as you know, has the L burner design. So that creates some challenges, but it also creates some opportunities. We're going to be cooking some beef and green peppers and onions. And we're cooking them because we're going to use them for pizza that we're going to make later on. So Lori, why don't you take it away, and I'll get this plate out for you.
Okay.
And the oven's been on high for about 10 minutes, maybe longer. And the Grizzler's been in for about at least 5-6 minutes. Okay, it's very hot.
Okay. Okay. So I already have my meat seasoned with a little salt and pepper, and I've kind of let it sit there for a while. And I'm going to add some oil. And we've already had the Grizzler plate in the oven so that we can cook the meat pretty quickly. You want to distribute the meat. This is pretty thinly sliced. And I like to cook the vegetables or the meat juices. And vegetables are contain a lot of water, so I'm going to put them towards the back of the oven, closer to the heat source. And I already also have these vegetables seasoned with a little salt and pepper also.
Okay, should I put it?
Yeah.
And for those of you that may not be familiar with the Ooni Koda 16 L burner design, what it really means is this corner here of the Grizzler plate is going to be the hottest. It's going to be near the highest heat in the oven. Oop.
So is the oven still on pretty high heat? Yep.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping to get a little bit of char on the vegetables. It always gives it a little extra flavor.
And you can talk to that one too. We're on Ooni low. Do you want it there, or do you want higher?
I think a higher.
Okay.
Okay. I want to get the water evaporated from the vegetables. So I can see the vegetables towards the back are cooking a lot faster. So let's take it out.
Take it out, okay.
Since we can't season while we're cooking, I just pre-season the vegetables. And I'm using shallots, which has a very garlic-like flavor. We don't have to worry about garlic burning. So we only need a few more minutes on those vegetables.
Okay. We've been cooking with this Ooni Koda 16 since May of 2020. We use it for pizzas, but we do cook so many other things with it because we like the dual-sided Grizzler plate, and we also have the Ooni cast iron skillet pan. So we've done over 50 pizzas in it now. Took us 14 pizzas to really start to get confident that we could do a good cook.
Yep. Well, the vegetables are charring up a little. I think that they're almost ready to come out.
You want to take a look?
Yep. Just give it another quick toss.
And we do have a video on the Ooni Koda 16 L burner design. You might want to take a look at that video for some additional information on how best to apply the L burner design to the different things you might like to cook other than pizzas.
So the meat is quite thoroughly cooked. It's just the onions need just a little bit more time. So maybe we could turn that down and I could start making the crust, or no?
Well, I'd probably wait until we get them done.
All right. So what we're making tonight is our take on a cheesesteak pizza. I've never had one, but I've always loved the taste of them. I mean, imagine what the taste would be like, and so this is our version. Okay, I think it's ready. And we'll just leave the veggies in the stand-up. Oh, that looks great.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to bring out foil, but I think
I'll go and get the foil
okay.
while you work on.
So what I'm using is the crust. This is one of our sourdough pizza crust. And I'm going to stretch it out right on here. I think it'd be a good complement to what I imagine to be a cheesesteak pizza.
That should
That should be
help
good.
keep it warm a little bit.
Mm-hmm. So we just need the peel, I think.
Okay.
And we're cooking this nude.
You want to put a little?
Oh, I better put some semolina on here before it sticks. And we find we don't really need a lot on here.
Yeah, this is the 14-inch uni peel. We like it.
Yeah, it was a great gift. Okay, let's put it.
All right. I'm launching?
Oh, you're launching?
Okay. All right, launched. I'm going to turn it down.
Okay.
Got a little bubble in there. Can I pop
Oh,
it?
yeah, go ahead and pop it.
Well, might not be able to.
That's okay, we can pop it. Bring this over.
Okay, I've turned the heat down to low. We have a video called Ooni Koda 16 Heat Management Tips, and I'll show you how to, if you don't know already, how to turn it lower, the flame lower than the Ooni low. When do you think this will be good enough to...
I think that's almost done.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well we got it a little bit burnt, but we're gonna go with it. Okay,
Yeah.
so now you're gonna put the toppings on?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Oh, you want to put it on this?
No, I want to put it on here because I'm gonna launch it again.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
You're right. Okay. Let's see. This one. So I'm just going to mix the meat and the peppers together. Can you bring it a little bit closer?
You bet I can.
Whoops.
That's quite a bit already.
Okay, maybe we should just spread it.
Yeah, just spread it around, yeah.
Oh.
All right, put your cheese on.
You can use any cheese. Bill said that he recalls having yellow cheese on his cheesesteak. Okay. Okay.
Okay, this part, you got to be careful. I need those. And then at this point, we're just gonna turn off the oven and let the heat
So you can make smaller individual pizzas too.
and maybe I turned the heat off a little bit too soon.
Okay.
Can I get the pizza around?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so this is kind of what our concept is here. All right, should we? Or do you
Yeah.
want to let it?
Give it
Okay,
a little taste.
we'll get a little taste. This is the Ooni rocker blade. And I think that'll,
That's pretty good.
that's gonna do it. We're gonna let it cool a little
Maybe
bit.
this piece is big.
Yeah, that piece is really big, so maybe we'll come back and cut it.
Okay.
This is hot.
Yeah. Maybe I'll let you have a taste
Yeah.
first. How is it?
It's good. I like the dough.
Oh, is it?
Want me to cut a smaller piece for you? Or?
Yeah, maybe a little. Probably if I had a fork, I would. Oh, should I put it back in there?
Oh, well, however.
Okay. Whoa, it's very hot. Maybe I'll help myself with these tongs.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh no, it's way hot. Good.
Very good.
I think the sourdough crust complements the cheesesteak.
Hopefully this video was helpful and shared with you a little bit about cooking with the L burner design and a dual-sided Grizzler plate. And this is tasty. This is a tasty pizza. You might want to give it a try if you're a Philly cheesesteak fan. It's not a Philly cheesesteak sandwich, but it's pretty close, so I'm enjoying it.
Well, until next time. Thanks
Until
for
next time,
watching.
thank you for
Bye.
watching. All right, very good.